Before we dive into passive income, let's take a moment to glimpse into 𝐤𝐤𝐤's life. 𝐤𝐤𝐤, a 24-year-old from a small town, once thought that her dreams were too big for her surroundings. But then she discovered the passive income world, a universe where possibilities are endless and dreams are not bound by physical realities. It was a world where she could be anything, do anything, and achieve anything. This online money-making awakening was her stepping stone into an adventure filled with opportunities. Remember, this online money-making passively only requires passion and dedication. Stay tuned as we journey into this captivating world, starting with an introduction to the passive income realm. If you're enjoying our journey so far, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Your support helps us continue to unravel more stories like 𝐤𝐤𝐤's. We're about to start a journey into the passive income world, where you can make money from the comfort of your home. Myron Golden, a successful business coach, once said, "The internet doesn't care about where you come from or how old you are. If you're ready to learn and put in work, you can make money online." This is the beauty of our online era, a time when nothing is impossible. So let's dive into the world of online earning, where nearly half of the world's people are making a living. Surprisingly, more than 40% of people worldwide are making money online. That's right, almost half of the people on Earth are tapping into the opportunities offered by the internet. Let's look at the story of Jane Doe, a regular woman from a small town. Jane was a teacher who loved her job but barely made ends meet. One day, she read an article about making money online and decided to give it a try. Before we go into this passive income opportunity, let's watch a short video about the lion mentality. This mindset is about being brave, taking chances, and never giving up, just like a lion in the wild. Remember, as we follow Jane's story and learn from her, it's important to be brave in your journey to making money online. Take chances, be brave, and never give up. Now, let's see there are many options out there and can be challenging to sort through. Starting with Jane, beginning a blog. Because many recommend starting with a simple blog about what you do. However, not always that easy, and can be difficult to get traction, hard to get a blog started, to gain followers, and then make money from the blog by paying for ads, getting sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. How long does it take to get a steady income from a blog? Again, Levelurfinances will provide you with the opportunity to work whenever and wherever you want. So, what's our secret? It comes down to 3 things. First, we found a profitable subject that doesn't require to be subject expert. Second, we have put together an opportunity to make money passively in different way and in an untapped market. Lastly, just requires consistency and patience to complete the course. All making money online is not a quick scheme. We have already put in most of the time to build the program, and we have the clients that will allow you to make a steady income. In conclusion, making money online is possible for anyone willing to put in time and effort. To really understand the impact of Brunson's strategies, let's watch a clip of him sharing his unique insights on making money online. Here, you'll see the passion and knowledge that have made Brunson a leader in the digital world. Remember, in the world of online money making, the right strategies can make all the difference. So why not let Russell Brunson's success inspire your own? Levelurfinances will offer you 3 pillars. 1. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞, educational curricula. 3. Backend development. 4. Rostrum and bonus offer. Check out link for bonus offer.